Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Michelle and I are a little bit on the, what kind of side are we on right now? The tickled
Snowy.
side?
Snowy side.
Snowy side?
Okay, so at least I'm tickled because now I have enough snow for doing laundry and showers and everything.
Oh, okay. She's happy about the liquid part of it. We call it a tarpinator. Not a tornado, but a tarpinator because the snow comes through and rips all the tarps down like this one. Took me a while to get the snow off of it and get it back up. But we are trying to now assess what needs to go where and when. So we just ask that if you would subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it if you would, and leave a comment. 'Well, we got the snow that we had been looking for. We just didn't get as much as we thought we would. So we're a little disappointed in that respect, but it did snow. Well, in the Arctic, you've always got to be prepared for the unexpected. And this was unexpected. NOAA said our low would be 5 below last night. We got up, it is now 30 degrees below zero. Surprise! "38 degrees below zero on this Thanksgiving morning." Actually, it's noontime right now, and it has warmed up to minus 37. So, Connie and I are out for a walk, just kind of inspecting some things. We had a birch that came down over here. We got to get that cleaned up. Fell out over our trail, and I slammed my head into the branches because I couldn't get stopped in time. That was a week or so ago. The hoarfrost really forming. So we're going to continue our walk and just enjoy this day. Well, this is for Don at Little Griff, off-grid, Alberta. He and I were discussing a little trip up through the trees and running into massive willow, which I've pretty much cut out of the way, except for stands that still need to be cut out of the way. But it makes for really tight turns. And next time I'll be filming. Well, another day, and Michelle and I are prepping to get headed out to a spot we want to cut trail on that's right at our meadow, so it's not too far from here. The only problem is it's a pretty rough trail getting to it. And then we're going to see just how difficult it is to get back into an area that the beavers really attacked and took the birch down here a couple of years ago. So that birch is ready for harvest.
Methinks me chainsaw needs a tune-up. Last year we were walking all this. This year maybe we'll have a nice little path to get through. Got to do a little cutting. I didn't start that before we left.
Oh, okay.
There's something on the bottom of it. Oh, that must be that insulation stuff got on it.
Well, welcome to another day. Michelle and I kind of getting a late start on everything because we weren't going to head out and finish up some firewood cutting that we were doing. So we wound up doing some other things. Now it's almost 1 p.m. in the afternoon. We have quite a distance to go out to this due to the fact, look at this. Right through there, about 300 feet, is some really nice dead standing. Trouble is, we can't get through there to get to it. So we're going to have to go all the way out to the meadow, travel about 1.5 miles, 2 miles out the meadow, switch over to another slough, and then come back up to the trees that we want to cut down and cut into rounds and get them back over here. Such as it is when you live out in the bush like this. So we're going to be headed out in just a little bit. Well, we stopped along the way. We didn't make it all the way out because we spotted some dead standing. And we're always attracted by dead standing. But it's a good thing that we did, because here's some of the things that can happen when it gets really cold like this. If you can see this, the sled pin broke and fell off. Right now I have some baling wire holding the tow hitch on, so we're going to have to very slowly make our way back home, and we'll try this another day.